everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des, feel free to call me whichever. I made 7 months on November 10th, so I'm so excited about that. This is my 3rd set of locks and the longest I've gone without trying to mess with it or do anything with it. So as you guys know, if you're not new to my channel, I do lock close-ups to show you guys a realistic look at locks as time goes on. I did do a poll to see if you guys wanted to see a lock close-up before my retwist or after, and an overwhelming amount of people said that they wanted to see both, so I'm gonna do that for you guys. Y'all, the hang time, okay, let me turn this so you guys can actually see a little bit better. But y'all, the hang time. It's shrinking up, but it's growing at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm here for it. This is the one that I cut, so that's why it just looks so blunt like that compared to the other one. But I just have to look at it as it's less of the lock that needs to lock up now, because it was mainly just my end that didn't lock up yet. So positive thinking, y'all. But my ends have been rounding off a lot more. I've noticed more of them are starting to scrunch up, if that makes sense. Like the lock is like sucking the ends up, so that's why I've always said don't pull off the knots that are at the ends of your locks, because your lock will suck it up eventually. And sometimes it falls off, and that's okay too, but if it falls off on its own, that's better than you actually pulling it off. See, like that knot? I'm not pulling it off. This one's really flat. I realized that my lock count is not 100% accurate. I first counted my locks when I got this set. When I did this set, I counted 55. I don't think that is true. I think I do have an even amount because last time I did a 2-strand twist out, I didn't do any of them that were 3 and it worked out. So I'm going to be including my lock count at the end of this, but let's get into this close up of this after retwist because y'all, like, who is she? I'm gonna just fast forward. If y'all want to count with me, you can try. But I don't know how fast I'm gonna make it, so we'll see. We're at 27 for the top so far. 41. All right, we're at 41. Two, 53, 54, 55, 56. I think that is accurate though. I really don't feel like counting again. So I'm not. I knew it because when I was doing twist outs, I didn't have an extra one when I was done. Like my last twist out that I did, the ones before that I'm not gonna talk about. I got 56 locks. And this whole time I thought I had 55. So I was only one off, which still isn't bad. I'm gonna put my hair back to how I had it before, because that's how I like it when I get a fresh retwist. Now we have the final answer. I'm sorry for lying to y'all for the past 7 months, but that's really what I thought I had. And that's crazy too, because last time that I counted, I definitely double counted too, and I got 55 both times. So that's weird, but now we know the real answer. Keep an eye out for my next video, which is actually me doing this retwist. If you're someone that likes retwist videos and you've been here or you're new, it doesn't matter. Just keep an eye out for that retwist video, because I did do something a little bit different to get my locks looking, I don't know, a little bit more like locks, I guess you could say. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.